wheels and parachutes, all the guns of the forces. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, getting the door. Coming, make your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes, get all those gliders.
And today on Have a Knife Day, it is December 1st, and we're going to be celebrating the 24 days of Christmas by opening up this Boker Plus Advent Calendar and building this knife pictured right here. Now, I picked this up from Blade HQ, and their price is $127.96, and as an early gift to you, it's out of stock. That's right. The specifications, now mind you, this is 1 pound, 8.30 ounces. Brand is Boker, Boker Plus Advent Calendar, etc., etc. I'll put the link in the descriptions so you can look at it at your leisure. Now you're asking, Mr. Rexu, couldn't I just go over to Boker Plus itself and get it? Well, they're selling it for $159.95, and they're also out of stock. So the Grinch has stolen your Christmas. I am so sorry, but I'm going to share this opportunity to build this knife with you. Barring any crazy work days, the plan is to do 1 box a day for the 24 days of this Advent calendar. And on the 25th, we're going to have a beautiful knife to share and to open up our presents. And what more could you ask? So let's go ahead and open up a box number 1. And it is a liner for the pocket knife. Now we're gonna use this. We're gonna stack up all of our stuff. This supposedly has all the tools required for you to build this particular knife. And it has, well, let's see, create new heirlooms and new traditions this Christmas with the 2023 Boker Plus Advent Calendar. Follow step-by-step instructions this holiday season to assemble a Boker Plus EDC folding knife that will last for years to come. The perfect gift for the knife nerd in your life, this Advent Calendar comes with everything you need to build your own pocket knife, including 3 variant handle scales and 2 different blades. Partridge and a pear tree not included. So, oh boy, Have a Knife Day is going to be building a knife, and you get to be there right along with us. And I've kind of broken this box. Oh, you know how that goes. There we go. Ta-da! Just as good as new. Well, thank you so much for spending time here with me today. I really appreciate it. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, 24 days later, have a knife day.
We will and parachutes, all the guns of the forces. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, getting the door. Coming, make your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone. Pouring our check into the dawn. At station time to fight them all the 82nd way.